We are Treplus Communities. Treplus Communities is redefining 55 and over living in Central Ohio. As baby boomers ourselves, we know what our generation wants in active adult living, and we've brought it to our new luxury rental homes. Upscale finishes, outstanding design, and a maintenance-free lifestyle await at Treplus Communities. We're located in communities that you know and love, close to walking and biking paths, shopping, dining, healthcare, and entertainment. Being near all of this, and family and friends, you'll feel right at home. Because these are communities of active adults. Concierge-style living by Treplus Communities means freedom to enjoy life however you like, without worrying about home maintenance or upkeep. What will you do with all that newfound free time? Take control of your leisure time, chill out with a hobby, or take on a new obsession. You might even beat your grandkids at their own game.
Get wrecked. I'm on a fat kill streak and my specials are fully buffed. Boom! Woo!
Exchange home repairs and yard work for an afternoon on the nearby bike trails. You might just discover a new way to roll. Shake off home maintenance responsibilities and keep your free time free. Our professional staff is happy to handle any task, day or night. Our friendly maintenance staff is always here for you. And our yoga classes will keep you feeling flexible and relaxed. Treat yourself to spacious, open, single-story homes perfect for entertaining family and friends. And did we mention pets are welcome? Our commons, clubhouse, and patio are perfect for socializing. Whether you're entertaining old friends or meeting new ones, your own personal liquor locker keeps beverages handy right at the bar. On the commons patio, enjoy outdoor dining, relax over drinks, or visit with neighbors as they stroll by. Our Pickerington and Delaware communities are working with Franklin Park Conservatory to design our community gardens. Our raised garden beds make it easy to flex your green thumb and grow delicious seasonal fruits and vegetables. We can connect you with a number of services, including home chef and meal delivery, housekeeping referrals, dinner and travel reservations, comprehensive pet care and boarding, dog sitting, home checks during travel. We even have a food restocking service to welcome you home with a full fridge and pantry. And did you know there are advantages to renting over buying? More and more baby boomers are discovering the advantages of renting versus purchasing another home after downsizing, or paying large buy-in fees to enter a retirement community. The major advantages that renting over buying a home include upfront costs like application and processing fees are significantly lower than home buyer closing costs, down payments, inspections, and updates. In addition to rent, the only monthly costs for renters include smaller ticket items such as utilities and renter's insurance. But home buyers incur a greater number of higher costs, such as HOA condo fees, homeowner's insurance, interior maintenance and repairs, and property taxes, in addition to utilities. There are many more costs associated with selling a home, including agent commissions, closing costs, escrow fees, home warranties, notary fees, prepayment penalties, transfer taxes, and title search fees. And renting frees you up to use or invest the funds from the sale of your home any way you like. Investing the funds from the sale of a home can be a better strategy than investing in another for sale home for the disciplined investor. Renting a luxury home at Treplus Communities is more like renting a condo than just another ordinary apartment. Outsized floor plans include one-bedroom apartments with dens and two bedrooms with a large office. Every home has a half-bath powder room for added convenience when you have guests. Luxury features like high ceilings with ample natural light, gourmet kitchens, and granite countertops make for an easy transition to rental living at Treplus Communities. Enjoy no-step living in open floor plans with loads of storage, including attached 1- and 2-car garages. Treplus Communities are a downsizer's dream. Each unit features gourmet kitchens with stainless steel appliances, pantries with ample shelving, large walk-in closets with shelving, private entryways, private patios, large mudrooms with laundry connections, window blinds, and white shaker cabinetry. Our luxury ranch homes are located close to shopping, dining, and entertainment. And best of all, we're part of the neighborhoods that you know and love. Amenities abound in Treplus Communities. Relax and party in our well-appointed commons. Celebrate the day with neighbors, friends, and a cocktail. Watch the game on our big screen. Work out in our well-equipped gym or enjoy a yoga class in our exercise room. Features and amenities of the commons include private party spaces and catering kitchen, Wi-Fi, fireplace, book and DVD library, community garden, clubroom spaces for yoga, cards, meetings, and private parties, outdoor patio with barbecue grill, seating, and fire pit. Monthly calendar of social, educational, cultural, and fitness activities. Our new communities in Dublin and Pickerington are now leasing. Visit us at trepluscommunities.com for more information.